Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the host file and locating the Revit link you intend to edit. You need the link to be loaded and selectable, so open Manage Links and verify its path and status. Once done, enable the link worksets and turn on link visibility in the view. This lets you see and pick elements. Make sure to save both the host and a backup copy of the linked RVT now, because you will switch contexts and need a recovery point. Next, decide whether to edit type, open link, or use copy/monitor. Each approach has different needs. If you need to change families or parameters, select Edit Type in the host. For full model changes, open the link in its own Revit session. Once opened, make your geometry, level, or element edits. If elements are monitored, use copy/monitor workflows to keep alignment. Remember to check and change workset ownership if the elements are locked by someone else, so you can apply edits. Finish by saving the linked RVT and closing it so you can return to the host file. In the host, use Revit link's right arrow reload from to point to the updated file. Once reloaded, verify alignment, dimensions, and schedules to ensure changes applied. If you encounter missing updates or errors, first confirm the file path and that workset names match. If problems persist, open the link directly and inspect element ownership and family types. This usually reveals the cause and a clear fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.